Welcome to Flash English, your English channel where you learn fast and easy. Today you'll learn 30 vegetables in English. Stay until the end and test your memory. Share this video with a friend. Like if you enjoy learning English, and subscribe for more. Let's start. Carrot,
Carrot is a long orange root vegetable.
carrot,
Carrot. Carrot.
potato,
Potato is a starchy vegetable that grows underground.
potato,
Potato. Potato.
tomato,
Tomato is a red vegetable often used in salads.
tomato,
Tomato. Tomato.
onion,
Onion is a vegetable with many layers.
onion,
Onion. Onion.
lettuce,
Lettuce is a leafy green vegetable.
lettuce,
Lettuce. Lettuce.
cucumber,
Cucumber is a long green vegetable with lots of water.
cucumber,
Cucumber. Cucumber.
corn,
Corn is a yellow vegetable that grows on cobs.
corn,
Corn. Corn.
broccoli,
Broccoli is a green vegetable that looks like a tree.
broccoli,
Broccoli. Broccoli.
cabbage,
Cabbage is a round, leafy vegetable.
cabbage,
Cabbage. Cabbage.
pepper,
Pepper is a colorful vegetable with seeds inside.
pepper,
Pepper. Pepper.
spinach,
Spinach is a dark green leafy vegetable.
spinach,
Spinach. Spinach.
garlic,
Garlic is a strong-smelling vegetable used for flavor.
garlic,
Garlic. Garlic.
celery,
Celery is a crunchy green vegetable.
celery,
Celery. Celery.
pea,
Pea is a small, round green vegetable.
pea,
Pea. Pea.
pumpkin,
Pumpkin is a large orange vegetable.
pumpkin,
Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
zucchini,
Zucchini is a long green summer vegetable.
zucchini,
Zucchini. Zucchini.
eggplant,
Eggplant is a purple vegetable with soft flesh.
eggplant,
Eggplant. Eggplant.
radish,
Radish is a small, spicy root vegetable.
radish,
Radish. Radish.
beetroot,
Beetroot is a dark red root vegetable.
beetroot,
Beetroot. Beetroot.
cauliflower,
Cauliflower is a white vegetable similar to broccoli.
cauliflower,
Cauliflower. Cauliflower.
sweet potato,
Sweet potato is a sweet orange root vegetable.
sweet potato,
Sweet potato. Sweet potato.
leek,
Leek is a long green and white vegetable.
Leek.
Leek. Leek.
Asparagus.
Asparagus is a green vegetable with long stems.
Asparagus.
Asparagus. Asparagus.
Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts are small green cabbage-like vegetables.
Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts.
Turnip.
Turnip is a round root vegetable.
Turnip.
Turnip. Turnip.
Artichoke.
Artichoke is a green vegetable with layered leaves.
Artichoke.
Artichoke. Artichoke.
Green bean.
Green bean is a long, thin green vegetable.
Green bean.
Green bean. Green bean.
Mushroom.
Mushroom is a fungus often used like a vegetable.
Mushroom.
Mushroom. Mushroom.
Kale.
Kale is a leafy green vegetable rich in nutrients.
Kale.
Kale. Kale.
Okra.
Okra is a green vegetable with seeds inside.
Okra.
Okra. Okra.
Thanks for watching. Like this video, hit the hype button, subscribe for more. See you in the next video.